Coffee shop conversation. Hello, sir. Welcome to La Rana Cafe. Thank you. What would you like to order? I'd like a latte, please. Certainly. We do latte in small, medium, or large. What size would you like? Medium, please. Of course. What kind of milk would you like? Just regular, thanks. Okay. Would you like anything to eat? Yes, please. I'd like a chocolate brownie. Good choice. Okay, so that's a medium latte with regular milk and a chocolate brownie. Have I got that right? Yes, spot on. Great. Is that to have here or take away? I'll have it here, thanks. How much time will it take for my order to be served? Around 10 to 15 minutes. Here is your order. Wow, that was fast. Thank you. Excuse me, how much do I have? Your order comes to a total of $5.80, please. $5.80. Okay, here's $5. Here's your change, sir, and have a nice day. Thank you. You too.